Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved use Audi Q5 Black Edition Quattro S tronic, finished in the modern ultra blue metallic paintwork. This 2024 model comes with a TDI engine and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include these bright matrix LED headlights paired with dynamic indicators for great visibility, large 20-inch alloy wheels, black roof rails for secure road trips, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including Audi Sport badging on the alloys, and front and rear parking sensors paired with a rear camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 550-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials. This Q5 comes with illuminated door sill trims with the S logo, along with a Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system for you and your passengers to enjoy crisp audio. Moving into the rear, you'll find a luxurious part leather trim for that premium look and feel, with a pull-down armrest and rear climate control for ultimate passenger comfort. The front houses the multifunctional flat-bottom 3-spoke steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a central touch display and S-embossed front part leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. You can also access and adjust the exterior and interior lighting, along with the rain sensor too, in addition to accessing Audi Drive Select, offering a range of driver modes to suit you. You can also access the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to suit every passenger's needs, with the optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a wireless charging pad and a central armrest for convenience and comfort. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.